salt, and kanba, which is a Japanese term for kelp seaweed. Whole vegetables are stirred into the mash and allowed to cure anywhere from a day to several months. The resulting crisp, salty, and tangy pickles are then rinsed clean, sliced, and served. Nukazuke are rich in lactobacillus and are said to aid in digestion. There are so many different ways to preserve veggies. So, why not go and pick your recipe to make your own vegetable preserve, which are rich in probiotics to boost your gut health. In between her meals, if she is resting at home, Takeshima ensures to add some exercises. Even when watching TV, Takeshima sits with her back completely straight and her stomach drawn in, and she always walks around the house on tiptoe. How inspiring is that? Now, let's talk about Takeshima's lunch. She keeps it light and refreshing with just one banana and a probiotic drink called Yakult. By not overeating during lunch, she avoids feeling sluggish and tired throughout the day. The banana is a fantastic source of potassium, providing about 9% of the daily recommended intake. Potassium-rich foods like bananas help manage blood pressure by helping the body excrete excess sodium. Not only that, but bananas are also a source of prebiotics, which feed the good bacteria in our gut, making them a perfect match for Yakult. Yakult or Yakurutu is a Japanese sweetened probiotic milk beverage fermented with the bacteria strain Lacticasia bacillus casei shirota. And if you're worried about blood sugar levels, eating less ripe bananas is also an option. So let's take a page out of Takeshima's book and keep our lunch light, yet nutritious and delicious. Let's talk about Takeshima Mika's hearty dinner. After a long day of teaching fitness classes, she knows the importance of nourishing her body with a healthy, balanced meal. Her typical dinner consists of lean protein such as fish and chicken thigh curry with carrots, served with rice cooked with salmon flakes. She also includes tofu, boiled spinach, Korean kimchi, natto. She also enjoys a lettuce salad with tomatoes and chicken but with no dressing. To complete the meal, she enjoys miso soup and some beans, along with rakio, pickled Japanese scallion. Each item on Takeshima's plate serves a specific purpose in keeping her healthy and energized. The lean protein in her dinner provides her body with the necessary building blocks to repair and build muscle after a day of physical activity. Fish is a great source of omega-3 fatty acids, which are important for heart health and reducing inflammation. Chicken is high in protein and low in fat, making it a great option for maintaining muscle mass while also supporting weight loss goals. The rice cooked with salmon flakes adds extra protein and omega-3 fatty acids to the meal, as well as some additional flavor and texture.